Ford Bronco R. Now, yeah, this is the new style Bronco. Looks a little different, like the nose is extended, maybe. I don't know, but the front end painted up. You know. Welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we have the Mix F of the car culture series, and these are the Hyper Haulers, and they are all trucks, all cool trucks. All right, let's get right to it. Number one is the 99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. And I'll tell you, these things are quick. My son Chris had a white one. Beautiful truck. Man, oh man, did they go. Supercharged. Roots supercharger on it. And man, they are really, really fast truck. This one is done in a nice silver metallic. The front grille is done really nice. The headlights are done. It's got the blue oval on the center of the grille. Interior and the bed liner are all black plastic. Windows tinted just slightly on this. Taillights, really nice. Got the Ford emblem. The tailgate lift, the opener is done. No license plate on it though. Let's see what else. Got chrome wheels. They look kind of like the Ferrari GT308 wheels on it. And the base is semi-gloss black painted metal base. And that is it. The 99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. And man, oh man, they are quick truck. Number two is the Baja Bouncer. And man, that is a cool looking truck. Looks like one of them stadium, no, not stadium. Yeah, it's got to be a Baja truck called Baja, right? Okay. Done in white. White enamel. Got blue, really light, cool blue, and red stripes on the hood and the roof, and got some down the side too. Sponsored by Lucas Products on the side there. The wheels are a dark gray off-road looking wheel. Got some big tires on it. Got some extra spare tires in the back there. Interior is black plastic and a black roll cage. No windows in this at all. Base is flat black painted metal base. Let's see what else. Taillights are done. Why are you going to need taillights? Ain't nobody going to see all that dust you're throwing up there. Headlights are done. Got lots of headlights. That's something you're really going to need. Lots and lots of headlights. But yeah, this is really, really cool. The Baja Bouncer. Man, it'd be a lot of fun taking that baby for a ride. Number three, 2020 Jeep Gladiator. And it is done in olive metallic. Doors are painted, looks like black metallic. Okay. It's got a little bit of black up on the hood there. The interior is black plastic. Got a couple of motorcycles in the back that are black plastic. Let's see. Tailgate is down. The base is semi-gloss black painted metal base. The wheels are same as the one on the Baja, but they are brown this time. And do they have the same kind of wheels or tires? Yeah, a little bit different. Well, Jeep tires are a little bit taller than the ones on the Baja there. Headlights are done. Got some lights up on the fenders there also. Probably directional lights. And the windows are tinted pretty good on this one too. But yeah, detail really, really nice on the 20 Jeep Gladiator. Number four, the Ford Bronco R. Now, yeah, this is the new style Bronco. Looks a little different, like the nose is extended, maybe. I don't know, but the front end painted up. You know, it's got some dark gray in it and some red. Don't see anything done on the headlights though. The rear of it looks like the roll cage is extended out the back, and it's got a spare tire in there, and got a street license plate on the back of the cage there. It is a blue plastic cage, goes all the way up to the front there. Let's see, got some red and white. Got a horse up on Bronco, right? Up on the roof. Got some light gray and dark gray and red and white and blue tampos colors on the side there. Got some red stripe up on the hood. And let's see what else up there. Yes, yeah, says I'm gonna say Ford up on the top there. White and red lettering there. Wheels are blacked out. Look like beadlocks, but they got holes in them. Probably 10 holes. What do you want to call that? Like a instead of a 5 dot, you got a 10 dot. I don't know, but yeah, they're blacked out, and they're definitely off-road wheels and tires on this Bronco. And that's about it for that. Ford Bronco R, and I'm going to guess the R is for race. Number 5 in the set, 75 Datsun Sunny Truck B120. And that is a cool looking little truck. Man, that is nice. That's done in white pearl. Got a blue stripe on the hood and the roof. Got a white circle with a black 120 in it with a black outline. Same on the door. The tampo down the side, nice light blue. It's got some really good tampos. Let's see, black and white and red along the side there. Got marker lights done up. Tail lights are done up. Tailgate is done up in blue like the stripe, and says Datsun in white. The base is a blue tint metal base. Headlights are done. The front grille is done. Really, really good looking little truck. And the wheels are done really nice. They're little tiny chrome 4 spokes all the way around on some really tiny rubber tires. Man, that's pretty neat. A lot different than the other ones here, you know. So that's it. The 75 Datsun Sunny Truck B120. And our buddy Chris Walker is really going to love this one here. That's one of his most favorite castings. So that is it from the latest Car Culture Mix F series, stuff, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, Mix F Car Culture. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Always appreciate you guys stopping by. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. And of course, please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves, and we hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.